Mastering motion starts with key controls. Today, we'll cover the Q-Series panel functions that let you move the laser head along the X, Y, and Z axis. P1 positioning, quick moves, dual presets. The P1 key moves the carriage to a saved location with one press. Hit Shift plus P1 to access P2 for a second preset point. Ideal for fast setups and repeat jobs in batch production. X and Y axis movement control. Use the Y up/down and X left/right buttons to manually move the carriage along each axis. Press and hold for faster motion. 4 quick jumps to the midpoint or end of an axis. Press Shift plus any directional key. Perfect for navigating larger work areas. Z-axis control, table height adjustment. Use table up and table down to raise or lower the bed for different material heights. Hold to move faster. Press Shift plus table down to send the table to its lowest Z-axis position. Ideal for quick setups and material swaps. Autofocusing hands-free focal adjustment. With autofocusing, the laser head automatically adjusts the focal distance between the lens and material. No manual tweaks needed. It keeps your cuts consistent and sharp every time. Homing, automatic reset to origin. Homing sends the laser head back to its default position, keeping alignment consistent and ready for the next job. With intuitive motion controls, Q-Series machines make laser operation fast, simple, and smart. Subscribe for expert tips and the latest in laser cutting tech.